Welcome to the BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. In today's really fun video, I'm going to show you how to make some dark chocolate pecan hearts. I've got some crushed pecans, I have a heart mold, and I have a little funnel here which I'm going to fill with dark chocolate. We'll just pour our dark chocolate in. That's good enough for this video. I grab my little funnel. Now I'm using an expensive chocolate funnel. You can use a couple of spoons or you can use a piping bag, which is the next best way to go. And I'm just going to fill these. A little bit of chocolate just to start off. That's good. So I'll do 4 for this video. So you just want to spoon a little bit of chocolate in there. That's good. And then I'm just going to grab my little pieces of pecan and just put a few in there. Maybe one more in there and one more in here. And now we'll fill it up. That's good. And then our last one. I'm just going to get the chocolate right over it. You don't have to fill them right to the top. Just make sure that all of the pecans are covered. I think that's good. I'm going to do a little bit more in this one. Maybe a little more. A little bit there. Perfect. And then I'm just going to tap this. Just like that, and now I'm going to pop this into my fridge for about 15 minutes just to chill it down. So here we are again. This is about 15 minutes later, and I'm just going to pop out our nice little chocolates. That's what's nice about silicone. You can just get your finger underneath and just give it a little push. And there we have it. So I think our little chocolate pecan hearts look really nice. So let's just grab our knife and let's just cut right into the middle of this one. Look at that. So now that I've zoomed in, you can see all of those nice pecans and that dark chocolate. Another thing that you could have done is you could have put a little bit of sea salt into the silicone mold, then poured the chocolate in. That would give you the sea salt on the top. So that's another step that you could do if you wish. So hopefully I've given you a little inspiration to try out something like this. Very simple and very inexpensive to make. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. And if you are on Facebook, you can check me out. Facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. That's it for today, and I'll see you next time. That is really good.